Yeah, I figured out why why it's so noisy. Yeah, exhaust pipe is not connected.